Hey guys, you're back with your boy Dunky for season 4, episode 5 of 12 Monkeys, and this episode was called After. Alright, let's go.
Until this moment. Until now.
Probably all by design.
Now is a living picture. Find it before they do.
Jeez, I hate her.
Turn to you, you're perfect.
That's what do they call those? Are they like knuckle bones? You know, I think little girls, some game where you got to drop them and pick them up. I think in Australia you use knuckle bones, but I'm not sure what they're called.
The weapon really was meant for me to find. She doesn't want to mess around before.
What is this weapon?
The end.
The weapon is going to be a person, I think.
Let's talk about the end and...
Climb the steps. Ring the bell. If I was smart, would I be able to figure it out? Is it something enticing? Match found. Alright, here we go. Climb the steps, ring the bell.
Shit.
I want to go and do some graffiti somewhere now saying...
Careful this time. Butt stuff only. 1966.
Who's that on the floor?
Mystery MacGuffin. We're going on a hunt. Primaries from something her bitchness hadn't foreseen. This could be...
Bitchness.
What about the artist formerly known as Primary?
No.
Yes! Down somewhere in the city. Nick and dirt and gritty. I love this song.
One, you go in there looking for the weapon, and what do you know? Bang, bang, loop, loop. It was us who killed the Russians all along. Two,
Yep.
surprise, it's the army of the 12 monkeys.
You gotta fix that
Here any longer.
teleporter.
Nice wheels.
She looks like she's from Austin Powers.
Only if they want to drive.
God damn it.
Just money. Yeah, no. So, as if I'm not going to. Yellow.
Manhattan. Emerson Hotel, Suite 607.
Bloody Emerson Hotel.
What if this is a trap?
Walking into ours now.
Yeah.
If we're lucky.
He's a very loyal customer of the Emerson Hotel. Faces, please. Oh. Imagine if he finds the weapon but sides with them.
Been doing some thinking.
How is he
Get
alive?
that splinter suit working again, right?
Fallout shelter in basement. Who's pumped for new Fallout show? Yeah.
When I came in.
Oh, it was that guy.
We have whiskey or whiskey?
Whiskey. Neat.
Neat. If I was there, I'd go, oh, can I get some Coke Zero in mine? Oh. This guy's nervous as hell, man. Yeah, go Cass. Oh! She take a hit too. Go Cass. Balls, man. You were down there. Alright.
So claim the Ananaba.
Ananapa.
Then again,
Ananapa, is
who
it?
really knows what it is.
Is that the Indian
I
tribe?
have a man waiting in the bar.
They're gonna do it again because they showed that thing spinning. Bloody hell.
Oh, God.
You'll need to go back before his tether breaks.
Minutes earlier is the best I can do without recalibrating.
Do it.
Alright. Fucking chop chop, buddy.
Paradox.
It was her. She made that she made that commotion that he heard.
I hung my coat on the goddamn rack when I came in.
Oh, she stole it. Oh, that's from Paradox. I thought it was a trap from. I thought that was the weapon that did it to her. Is that her paradoxing herself?
You're here now. We can change things. We have the advantage.
Oh, I like episodes like this.
Don't do this to me.
It's like watching a non funny Red Dwarf episode.
Need the weapon.
Oh.
Guess.
Oh, god damn it!
Well done, son. My first wife,
Isabella is a smeller.
lived on the set. One can arrange moments into whatever you please.
Jacks, that's what they call it. We have knuckle bones.
Now, if you would be so kind.
Where's the other Cass? Where's the other Cass?
Now, kneel.
Fucking creepy shit. Dude.
I know that. The business of religion is transformation.
Is money.
A better person, body into spirit.
Oh, that's
What
not
I
good.
once thought was your blood will feel like acid in your veins. Your lungs choose you or her.
Oh man, his son is even creepier than he is.
What if her plan doesn't work?
Yes.
Doctor, I need you to program a jump before his tether breaks.
The best I can do is 13 hours.
I need everyone to shut up and listen to Jennifer for once.
Let's go. Okay, so we have to get help back then. We can't call the authorities.
What about that other
That declassified report filed this.
I keep thinking that
Redacted.
cop from
There's-
back in the
there's some
50s or
flowers sitting
something.
Here for a Fed. Listen, in the end, you will find clues to it all.
That's a quote, H.G. Wells, Time Machine.
I've never read
Berlin Wall.
Time Machine.
Cole said he had a friend who loved H.G. Wells.
He was FBI, shot to death in 1961. Unfortunately, he's long dead.
Or is he?
Unless...
Goosebumps. Yeah, oh man. I was thinking as soon as they mentioned the two dead Russians, I thought of this guy. Yeah. It's Carmen San Diego.
Be Jennifer? I took a cab uptown from the Bronx. Uptown from the Bronx? Smelled like springtime out.
My name is Jennifer Goins, and
From the future. I know.
Okay. My friends who are in Cassie.
Are in trouble? Got it.
You have to be fair.
This ain't my first rodeo, sister.
Fine!
Stop.
Worst spy ever!
Stop stealing her thunder.
This is for you.
What is this?
Fate.
Bait my ass.
Man, I wouldn't laugh too much. He'd have so many broken ribs. I suppose they were shooting from a little way away with AK-47, so probably not. Best way to put shoe polish on, always set it on fire first for a little bit and then do it. That's what we did in the army.
On that wall in there is a message passed down to me through eons. Ding! I gotta know what it means.
I bet you it's not there and she has to write it.
I could go right now and ask them before they die.
No, you can't. Are you insane?
Yes.
Yes.
Just one question. Climb the steps, ring the bell. What does it mean?
Hey. You. Oh man, Jennifer's the best, man. You have to write it there, Jen.
Oh, Jesus, Mary. It's us. We're the reason they found the room like this.
It's an oops loop. Wait, you... Oh!
Come on.
God damn it.
Is this gonna work?
Maybe.
Maybe. Maybe it's not good enough.
It's his car.
Maybe's all we got.
that, GT? Oh,
Mr.
what?
Shaw, where's the weapon?
This is bringing the whole gang back together. Bang.
Jennifer, are you Cassie 1 or Cassie 2? It doesn't matter, okay? You need to give him this.
This is so cool, man. Is Deacon gonna come in clutch, mate? Oh, yeah. If Jennifer believes it, I believe it. I'm the only one that has Jennifer's back. I mean, apart from everyone watching this, but no one in the show has it. Has it.
Look who's back from the dead.
He's like, are you talking about yourself or me?
Seller did mention something about a group it belonged to. On an Arab?
I thought he was meaning an Indian tribe.
Beyond an Erba was a pseudoscientific institute in the Third Reich dedicated to researching the
God.
archaeological and cultural history of something the SS called Die Glocke.
The bell.
The bell.
While the Nazis were digging around the world, they found something.
The lost ark.
That was intended for you. Interrogation of an SS officer at
They
Nuremberg. Read
could,
the description.
They could go and switch
An
it.
object made of metal?
Just so we're clear, we're talking about going back to World War II.
Oh my God. This episode.
You've done enough. Go live your life.
And take that big bag of money. He's just like going, this is cool.
Thank you.
That
is
just so goddamn cool.
Yeah, I'm with you, brother. And you just feel so cool. You'd feel like the biggest gangster in the world because you'd just be like, mate, I'm helping the time traveler save the world. I wish he was walking out with a big bag full of cash. Oh, he looks like a pleasant guy.
There's something else I need you to do.
Oh man, it's getting it's getting cool, heaps cool now.
I'm sorry. We're running out of chances to end this thing.
And what about after?
We break the cycle.
I mean us.
Mate, don't worry about that shit
What's
now,
left for
Cass.
us at the end of all this?
We'll teleport into a bank and get a shitload of cash.
The alternate timeline of a little boy from Philadelphia.
Oh, okay.
So water.
It's the opposite of the Red Forest.
I think it was the Keys.
Yeah, like in the movie, Florida Keys.
Felt perfect. Nothing could feel like that unless you're there.
Don't get me. Don't get me teary, Cole.
Your brain deprived of oxygen. But at the end of all this, there is one simple truth.
You're gonna remember Florida Keys, man.
Where we can save each other.
Did they meet at Florida Keys at the end?
We always knew this is how it was gonna be.
They'll meet at Florida Keys, man.
Never has to choose anything over the ones they love. Doesn't that sound right to you?
No, come on, mate. Are you friggin' kidding me? That's some bullshit. The keys are the opposite of the Red Forest. I'm saying that's my yin yang. And Cass, come on, man, that's stupid. That was an awesome. I reckon. Okay, what did I say was my previous favorite episode? I don't know. There's been a few good ones, but I think this one. I like it when it gets all confused and there's multiple of them staying out of the other guy's way and everything. It's also awesome. But oh man, come on! Are you kidding me? Stuff was beginning to look up, and then I'd be saying to Cass, she's saying, "Oh, but if we save the world, oh no, you can't. Could you do if we say well before like we can say okay, look, before we go any further, let's go back in time and." Can they leave a message for them? They can't. I don't know. You can't leave a message for yourself because if they fix it, then they'll never be there to do it. Man. Come on, Cass. Don't. Oh my God, come on. Okay, I had a really good time in that episode, except for the last 30 seconds. The last 30 seconds sucked. What the hell, man? Cass isn't that dumb. Oh man, I don't know how to feel now. I had such a good time, and in the end, it's really pissed me off, man. Oh man, and they've got to go to Nazi Germany, and Hannah's going somewhere else. Where the hell's Hannah going? Hannah's got to go. She's gonna do some hardcore shit. And Deacon went, I can't do that. I can't do that noise. You know when people go, however they do it, I can't do that. But Jennifer believed him. She doesn't have her primary abilities at the moment, but she believed him, and I believe her. And that's cool. That was so cool when she busted in that room. And she's like, I just want to know what climb the stairs, ring the bell means. And she looks up. Oh shit. Oh man, that was so cool. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. See you next episode. Peace out. You. Oh man, what the